You know that feeling when your partner does something that just totally ruins your vibe? Maybe they said something mean, or they're acting cold, or they just did that one thing that always gets under your skin. Your first move is usually to get mad. You want to argue, you want to send a huge text, or you want to ignore them back. But how sad is that? You're letting someone else's off day control your entire mood. I've been there. I've sat there staring at my phone, replaying the wrong thing they did until I felt like I was going to explode with anxiety. But here is the truth you need to hear. Your partner is just a mirror. If you spend all day worrying that they're going to hurt you or pull away, you are basically ordering them to act like that. It's like you're the director of a movie, you wrote a scene where they're being a jerk, and now you're upset that they're playing the part. Stop talking about what they did wrong. As long as you keep focusing on their bad behavior, you're stuck with it. If you really felt like the most loved, chosen person in the world, you wouldn't even care about a small glitch in how they're acting. You'd be so chill and so confident that their mood wouldn't even touch you. You wouldn't be begging for an apology like a beggar looking for a snack. You'd just know you're the best thing that ever happened to them. So here's how you fix it without even saying a word to them. First, rewrite the day. When you go to bed, do not think about the fight or the mean thing they said. That's like eating trash and wondering why you feel gross. Instead, play a new version in your head. Imagine them walking in and saying exactly what you wanted to hear. See them being sweet and stable. You are the boss of your mind. The story is whatever you say it is. Second, stop holding a grudge. If you stay mad, you're staying in a sad state. And a sad state only brings more sad things. You have to see them as the best version of themselves. If you start treating them in your mind like they are the perfect partner, they will eventually have to start acting like it. It's like a law of the universe. Third, focus on you. Stop worrying about what they did and start focusing on who you are. If you decide right now that you are cherished and untouchable, they have to either step up and treat you right, or they'll just naturally move out of your life to make room for someone better. You don't have to force them to change. You just have to change the way you see yourself. Stop reacting to the shadows of things they did in the past. It might hurt right now, but it's not the final story. You are the one in charge. If you want a better reflection, you have to be a better person in your own head first. I manifest luxury, and I'll see you in the next timeline. Bye.